Samantala, binigyang diin ng Malacanang ang kahalagahan ng kooperasyon para mabigyang linaw ang tinaguriang Priority Development Assistance Fund scam. Sinabi ito ni Presidential Spokesperson o Deputy Spokesperson Abigail Valdez sa report na inimbitahan ng NBI ang 77 mayors kaugnay ng investigasyon. Giit pa ni Valte, patas at walang sisinuhin ang naturang investigasyon.
Certainly, their cooperation is needed in the investigation. As some of them would probably tell you, lumalabas na rin yung mga reports na meron daw pong pinaking signature, etc. Meron daw pong maraming bagay. So, it is also in the interest of those people named their names. Kasi katulad ng sinabi ng Pangulo, importanteng malaman kung sino ba talaga yung kasangkot at kung sino yung nagamit lamang yung pangalan.
What about the other lawmakers, especially the senators or congressmen who are saying this is just a political maneuver, whatever?
Iwanan na po natin sa NBI kung nagawin po kung ano yung nararapat para po sa kanilang investigasyon.